We're going to drive through this quad. Let this naturally come back up here and then row. What's going on, everyone? My name is Andrew. I am the lead exercise trainer here at Kalkstein Chiropractic. I'm going to show you how to do a very complicated movement called the cable reverse lunge to march with row. Okay, so there's a lot going on here. The reason why we do this exercise is probably just because of that, because there's a lot going on and it's complicated, and we want to make things difficult for our patients because we want to challenge them in different ways and get a lot of exercises done and a lot of things done in the same exercises. So, here's what we're going to do. We're going to do a reverse lunge with the leg that's opposite of the arm pulling. Okay, so we already have tension on this cable here. So we're going to go just like this, back, pulling tension, have tension back here, the shoulders back, scaps are decompressed. Okay, then we're going to drive through this quad, let this naturally come back up here, and then row. Hold for 2 seconds. So real full speed. Look like this. Boom. Here, arm extended. Oh, drive up through this quad. Just like that. That's how you do that exercise.